Hi guys, this is Tech Squirrel and today we're gonna show you how to get access to the simulation mod on Sharp MX series multifunctional printers. For the demonstration we are going to use Sharp MX 1810U model. First of all, I'm going to turn on this printer by pressing this button, and you can see this starting interface is coming, and that would take a moment to turn on. Before you enter the simulation, please note every setting is critical for the printer operation, so please do not make any change if you don't know the exact purpose of the setting. Press hash start seal start. Okay, now we are in the simulation mode. For the ease, you can use the pen for navigation. You can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. You can select any function by clicking on the number. And also, you can use the numerical keypad and type the exact number and press the print button to enter the setting. If you want to go back to the previous menu, you can just press System Settings button. And also you can see a close button on the screen. If you press that one, you will exit from the simulation to the main screen. But the main screen will show you the test icon, which is still in the simulation running on the background. If you want to clearly exit the simulation, again enter the simulation and press clear all.